Winners are not afraid of losing. You are only poor if you give up. You get motivated daily by listening to these lines, right? But do you know these lines are written by a famous writer, Robert Kiyosaki, in his book, world famous book, Rich Dad Poor Dad. This book was published in the year 1997 and till now around copies of 3 crore books have been sold. But why am I telling about this book? See, I know that most of the guys watching this video right now don't want to read books. But this book is very important for financial education. Now this book tells you how a middle class man can be financially stable in his life. Meaning that I should teach you as a brother because I help you in each and every aspect of man's life. And if you're new to my channel, let me tell you guys that I am Raj Komkar from Fashion Fitness Boss, and I post daily contents on men's fashion, fitness, lifestyle, motivation and grooming, hair and beard related contents every 2 days. So do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more updates like this. And so today I'm going to tell you about 5 top lessons that you can learn from this book, Rich Dad and Poor Dad. You interested? I think you are. Let's get going. Number 1. We should not run away from the challenges. Instead, we should find opportunities in those challenges. Now it says that a middle class family always teaches their child from the childhood that everything expensive is out of their reach. But a rich family here always teaches their child how to get it. Meaning, the rich family don't create any opportunity to reach that goal. Instead, if they only think and focus on the expensive items which the rich people thinks, they can surely achieve it. Number 2. Your net worth is more important than your regular monthly income. In this book, Robert Kiyosaki's father is a PhD who gets monthly income of rupees 1 lakh, and on the same time, the rich dad, which is Robert Kiyosaki's best friend's dad, a businessman, also has an income of 1 lakh. But here, the rich dad, which is Robert Kiyosaki's best friend's dad, a businessman, always focus on savings more and assets. For example, if you are earning rupees 1 lakh and do a saving of 5%, whereas I earn 1 lakh and do a saving of 20 to 30%. In this process, my savings and assets are more than your, resulting in higher net worth. Now the third lesson is the most important point and the most familiar in the middle class family. It is you have to take risk in your life. Now this is common in every middle class family because they don't want their child to take risk. Whereas in rich family, if you fail, you learn from it and you don't repeat the mistakes again. In this process, you will learn each and every day, leading to a successful life ahead. Now guys, a very good news for you. I will be providing a full free course on wealth creation and personal development. So if you don't want to miss that out, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon because I'll be posting those full free contents after some days from now. Until that time, if you want to see more videos on confidence and motivation, then you may click the playlist here, or you may also check the link given in the description box after watching this video full. Now number 4. We all should learn more on personal finances. Now according to Robert Kiyosaki, we should know 4 things. Number 1, basic accounting. Number 2, investing. Number 3, basics of financial market. And number 4, all about taxes. But don't worry guys, I'll definitely educate you and explain all these points in my wealth creation playlist ad, which will be releasing in some days. So till then, stay tuned and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And find number 5, a bitter truth guys. We can't be rich if you only be a mere employee. An employee only gets a fixed monthly payment even if you give your best. Whereas if you do your own business and do the best, you can earn maybe in infinite, resulting in a rich dad. Now if you want to see a video on success motivation, which is presented by Fashion Fitness Boss, and it will motivate you, then you may click here. And if you want to see more videos on confidence and successful and motivated videos, then you may click the playlist here. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Till then, stay motivated.